Student, in last video we have studied about physiographic division of Brazil country. In this video we are going to learn about drainage of Brazil country. Student, there are three major river basins in Brazil country. Which are they? Let's see. First one is Amazon basin. Second one is the Paraguay-Paraná system. Third one is the San Francisco. And fourth one is, that is a common point, that is the coastal rivers. Student, let's see the first point of the Amazon basin. Student, Amazon basin collect their headwaters, means take water from the Andes mountain in Peru country. Understood? While flowing Amazon river basin collect large quantity of sediment. It is in near about 2 lakh cubic meter. Okay. When that all supplied in catchment area, means from where start that Amazon river, that is the oshes of that supplied area material. That's why here is no any sediment and delta found in Amazon basin. Student, if you talk about the Ganga river, about the India's largest river is Ganga. Ganga and its tributary, Ganga as well as Brahmaputra made largest delta, which is Sundarban delta. But here in the Amazon river there is no found delta. If you talk about the river basin, it is most important point. Amazon river is the largest river in the world. Okay. And next point is that tributaries is absent in the mouth region of river Amazon river basin. There is no most characteristics features of Amazon river. There is no distributaries. Student, what is meant by distributaries and tributaries? Tributaries means which river add water in main river, it is called the tributaries. And distributaries means which river take out water from the main river, it is called the tributaries. Amazon river don't have distributaries, there is absent. Okay, the mouth region, okay, of river Amazon river. Student, in the mouth of Amazon river there is one island found, that is the Marejo Island. Okay, student, some area is suitable Amazon rivers, some area is suitable for the navigation, means suitable for the boating. Understood? Student, now I again explain with the help of map. Figure number 3.4. Student, here is an Amazon river basin. Okay, here is the Andes mountain in Peru country. Okay, from here Amazon river basin river collect headwaters. Okay, in Peru country. Understood? Okay. The Amazon river basin's mouth here is found. Okay. Here is a Marejo Island. Understood? We have studied now, and most of the area is suitable for the navigation of Amazon basin. The distributaries is not found in mouth region of Amazon basin. Okay, and there is not also delta found in Amazon river basin, and Amazon river basin is the largest river in the world. Okay, understood about the river basin. Student, second point is the Paraguay-Paraná system. Student, if you talk about here is a Paraguay river and here is a Paraná river. Okay, Paraguay and Paraná river is located in the southwestern direction. Okay, the catchment, both of the rivers from the catchment river of Plata in Argentina country, means they start, catchment means start from their start river. Catchment area means from river start, from where river Plata in Argentina country. Understood? Both of the river catchment and here is also you can see Uruguay river. All that river collect their headwaters from the South Highlands. Student, in the physiography of Brazil country, we have seen here is a Brazilian highland. From the South Highland, that all rivers collect their headwaters. Understood about the Paraná system of Brazil country? Okay. Then third one, San Francisco. If we talk about the third important river of Brazil country, that is the San Francisco. Here is that is direction. Okay. Now see. It is the third important river of Brazil country. Why? Because the San Francisco river, river basin, entire basin is located in Brazil country. If we talk about Amazon basin, it is in collect headwaters from Peru country. If we talk about the Paraguay Paraná, it is the catchment area of that Paraguay Paraná river system is a river Plata in Argentina country. But entire basin of the San Francisco river is situated in Brazil country. Okay, student. Now see, there are many rivers. Okay, the San Francisco river flows north direction more near about 1000 kilometers over the plateau, then take a sharp turn to eastward and enter the Atlantic Ocean. How that I did. Student, here is the San Francisco river. Okay. Student, San Francisco river take float towards the north direction. See, okay. More near the 1000 kilometer. After that, it take sharp turn to eastward and meet the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, student, clear? Okay. Now see, navigation means San Francisco rivers near about 250 kilometer area is suitable for the navigation. Navigation means boating, for the boat. Okay. Understood about the San Francisco. The fourth point is the coastal rivers. Student, Brazil country got this area is the coastal area. North Atlantic Ocean and South Atlantic Ocean. Because of the North and South Atlantic Ocean, Brazil country got coastal area. Okay. Student, there are many rivers. Okay. Here is Paranaíba and Itapecuru that flow the north direction, northwards, and meet to the North Atlantic Ocean. Paranaíba and Itapecuru river flows the north direction and meet to the North Atlantic Ocean. Here, Itapecuru or Paranaíba river that flow toward the north direction and meet to the North Atlantic Ocean. Okay. Now, students, see about that. Some rivers enter the South Atlantic Ocean, collect their headwaters along the escarpment. Some rivers that meet to the South Atlantic Ocean, they collect their headwaters from the escarpment. We have studied in physiography of Brazil country, here is escarpment, and some rivers in south flowing river, they take water, collect headwater from the escarpment. Okay, student, which are they? Paraguayo river. Okay, student, here I have wrote Paraguayo river enter the Atlantic near the Salvador town. Okay, understood? That south flowing river Paraguayo enter the Atlantic near the Salvador town. Understood, student? In this way, in this lecture, we have studied about drainage system of Brazil country. There are three main rivers: Amazon basin, Paraguay Paraná river basin, and San Francisco river basin. And fourth one is a common point, that is the coastal rivers. Understood, student? I hope you understood this video. Thank you.